Hello everyone and welcome to our Japanese Mini Truck channel. In our video today, we'll be looking at some of the things that you should be looking for when you want a mini truck repair service provider. If you own a Japanese mini truck, then you already know how these vehicles are when it comes to reliability and performance. They are compact, small vehicles that are easy to maneuver with in every environment. They are stable, and with some of the functionalities like the 4-wheel drive, you can count on these vehicles to deliver every time. However, these vehicles are like any other machines with moving parts. They wear out, and with time, they require to be repaired and some parts to be replaced. But it has always been a challenge finding the best repair service provider. That is why we are dedicating this guide to list down some of the crucial things that you should be looking for when you want a mini truck repair service provider. It might be hard to come across a specialty garage that offers repair and maintenance to Japanese mini trucks alone. However, there are things that you must consider when looking for the right repair shop. Here are some of them. The first thing that you should be looking for is good licensing and certification. If you want to work with credible and reliable maintenance and repair service providers, then the first rule is to always consider those that have proper licensing. There are many out there that have proper licensing, but there are even way more that do not have the proper licensing to run. If someone inexperienced handles your vehicle, then it will be a disaster. That said, you need to ensure that you are dealing with the right certified experts. The second thing that you should be looking for is good experience and handling expertise. It is always good to keep in mind the fact that Japanese mini trucks are different. There are many models of these vehicles. Finding a good mechanic and repair expert to handle such a vehicle demands high experience. It is only by doing this that you can get good quality repair job on your vehicle. It can take some time to find the right expert, but it is worth the search. Another thing that you should be considering is good testimonials. When you're looking for a good repair and service provider to handle your K-Truck, you should ensure that they have been around, providing good services for other K-Truck owners. At this point, it doesn't hurt to check online for reviews and testimonials on particular services provided by a particular garage or a repair shop. The other thing you should be looking for is the variety and range of services provided by a particular garage or repair shop. Lastly, but equally important, you need to make sure that they offer various services that your mini truck could use. This will ensure that all of your mini truck needs are handled properly as they are supposed to be. To conclude, a Japanese mini truck does not disappoint, and this is as far as performance and reliability is concerned. However, you need to do your fair share of work in giving it the services that it needs. Shared in this video are some of the crucial things that you should be looking for when you want good maintenance and repair for your mini truck. This brings us to the end of our video today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in our next video.